Yep, think it was about time for them to be changed. So, first step, remove everything. Second step, pack your bearing. Then insert bearing in new rotor. Put seal after bearing. Step 3, put everything back together. I like to tighten the nut up until the rotor doesn't spin anymore to seat the bearing, and then back it off just a little bit, and then make sure you don't forget your cotter key. Very important. Wow, that hair, that's dog or cat hair. And brake job complete. New rotor, new bearings, new pads. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.